This is Jessica fishing. She's really good. Well, that's a good picture of the dog. Squiggles, come on. Turn it around. Oh. What happened? Somebody's a little fat. She needs to do this more often, man. She's all out of breath. You're going to have to get on the treadmill with Mommy.
Don't look at her.
You snot.
She doesn't want to play with us.
Look.
She's too prim and proper.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
What is it? Oh. That's all you get.
It looks real blurry on here. Oh! Gosh, you're making everybody follow. She's looking at the tree. What's in that tree?
Oh, good, I got it.
She got it now. Go ahead. Pull it in.
It's gonna break.
Well, it weighs quite a bit.
I want to catch a tree.
Well, we're going to have to move the chair or something. This is boring.
It has her paw on it.
You need to let out the line.
It's already on up far enough.
Now you got to get
The dog won't get it. Oh, great, now it's stuck.
Now look what you caught. That kind of like seaweed. You guys are ridiculous.
She can't even walk. It's just cute.